Hi web owners, if you're watching this video because your site was working and now it's displaying a message 503 error service unavailable and you need to get it fixed fast and for free, then you came to the right place. Hi, I'm DJ and I've been helping small business clients with their various types of websites for over 20 years. Today's website platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Magento use libraries of code called extensions or plugins, and these can cause conflicts when updated automatically in the middle of the night by the website host. Additionally, web servers run something called PHP, which is a server-side scripting language that's required to run platforms like WordPress and Magento. In order to run properly, these web server versions of PHP, the version of the platform like WordPress and Magento, and all active plugins and extensions need to be compatible and play nice with each other. In short, if your website was operating fine yesterday and is now broken, then something must have changed. There are two parts of fixing your website. Number one, restore the site to the last known working condition, which is the most important goal, and we will cover that in this procedure as step one. And number two, prevent the site from experiencing the same error that caused it to crash in the first place from reoccurring tonight after it's fixed. This procedure has a few more steps and will be covered separately in step two. Okay, fix the website. Let's get the site back up and running by restoring it to what's called a last known good condition. All Tier 1 and most Tier 2 web hosts provide daily backups with their hosting plans. These daily backups are accessible through the Web Host Control Panel, or cPanel, and not through your platform admin like WordPress or Magento. So if you don't know where to access this feature, you may need to reach out to your web host customer support team for help. They can help you over the phone or in a live chat support session. Once you find where to initiate this, it's usually a simple restore process, and you can select to restore the site from a particular day and time when you know it was working properly. This may be as recent as yesterday or possibly Friday evening if you came in on Monday morning and found the site crashed. There are usually 30 days of backup stored in the account, but every web host is different, so you will need to ask. In most cases, restoring from a backup when the site was working will resolve the most urgent problem of getting the site operational again and viewable by your visitors. But what if I don't have a daily backup? Okay, so what if you find out you don't have a daily backup with your hosting plan? In some cases, Tier 2 web hosts have daily backup options that are add-ons for an additional fee and need to be purchased as an add-on and configured properly. So if you find you don't have a daily backup, you will need to ask your web host to restore from their weekly backup. They keep these for their own purposes. Some web hosts charge a small fee for this, and some offer a limited number of restores per month as part of their hosting plans. Prevent a crash from reoccurring. Okay, once the primary concern of getting the site back up online is solved, it's now important to keep this from happening again tonight. Whatever automatic update most likely caused the crash will simply happen again when the host goes through what we call midnight processing after hours, and you will just need to start the restore process again. So to prevent this, it's important to disable any auto updates that would automatically update the PHP version, the platform like WordPress or Magento or Joomla, or any extensions or plugins. This will prevent the site from experiencing the same error that originally crashed it during overnight processing in the first place. Please note that you will not be able to just ignore these updates for long for security reasons, but it will give you the ability to control how and when the updates are applied and troubleshoot the problem. Once you have disabled the automatic updates, you can now troubleshoot the problem that originally caused your website to crash. As noted earlier, most unexpected website crashes after business hours are caused by automatic updates of one of the items we've discussed. So now that your site is up and running and stable, it's very important to take precautions to prevent this from happening again. You can download and read our free white paper on how to do this with the link below at our website, thewebsitesexpert.com. If this video has helped you, please make sure to click the like button below. Also, please remember to click the subscribe button to get notified when more videos involving how to fix and protect your website for free are published. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching.